send me the location, then I'll be right there. You make her come check you, my baby. No time, no.
Girl, what's up? My name is ClaireFendy. If you guys are new here, welcome. We're gonna get straight into the video. You already see what the look like. Let's just get into it. So we're gonna start off with using my Nars Complete Soft Matte Concealer. I'm gonna take my concealer brush, a small defined one, because I really want to get up in there. So I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to do the bottom of my brows. I'm going to start like kind of in the middle, just so I can focus on the arch more, because I want it to be super defined and super nice. So as I'm doing it, I'm going to be dragging it across, and I'm going to be dragging it down into my center of my crease lid type of thing. Like, yeah. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to do the top with this one. It's a little bit darker, but it's still bright. It's not completely like my skin complexion. So the bottom is like 3 shades lighter than me, and then the top is only 2 shades, because I want the bottom to be super sharp like I mentioned. And yeah, so I'm just going to blend that all out. So here's the brow. It's so perfect. I'm gonna do the other brow, and boom, there we go. So I have this ugly ass scar on my freaking cheek. I hate it so much, but it's okay. I'm gonna take my Dr. Denise skin moisturizer, and I'm just going to moisturize my skin, because my skin is going to be a little dry because it's fall. Like, I typically have oily skin, but I kind of see like my skin being a little dry. I don't know why. Maybe because the season is changing and my tan is going away. I don't know, but let's get into it. So next, I'm going to take my Becca Primer. This is my favorite primer. I don't use a lot. I only use a dime size, and I'm just going to put it on my oil spot. This is super matte and super nice. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier. This is in the shade medium deep. This is their translucent powder, and I'm just going to set my primer, because like I said, I have oily skin and I want my face to be matte. Take my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray, and I'm just going to set that all together. And then I'm just going to get my little face fan, and I'm just going to let that dry so the skin can be flawless. I learned this from TikTok, by the way. I'm going to take my Nars Complete Matte Foundation. This is in the shade Macao. I love this foundation so much. It's so matte. It leaves my face looking so soft. Literally, y'all see this? It looks so perfect. This is an important step. I'm going to take my Kevyn Aqua Skin Enhanced Concealer. This concealer is super full coverage. It hides all your bags. It hides everything. Like, this concealer is the truth. Like, you can hide your whole life with this concealer. And I'm just going to conceal my highlight, the bridge of my nose, my chin. Y'all should know this step, but yeah, I'm just going to conceal all that together. And I'm going to leave the link down below for this concealer, because I think you guys should get it. I'm going to take my Mario. This is their darkest shade. I love this, but I wish they had more selection, because I will go a little bit darker. And I'm just going to contour my face and contour my nose. This is what it's gonna look like. I let my concealer sit for a little bit, and yeah. So next, I'm going to take my Mario. It has a little brush on the bottom. which I love so much because not so many contour sticks have that, so it was so amazing. Next, I'm just going to take my blending brush and I'm just going to blend it all in. You guys, I don't use a beauty blender. This video is just brushes only. I got my brushes from Amazon. Yeah, I love using brushes because it doesn't waste my product. I like to go underneath my contour just so it can blend it out because I hate that strong line look that people be having. It's just not it for me, so I like to make everything blended. Next, I'm going to take my Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. Nars concealers are so long to read, y'all, but the same concealer I use for my brows, I'm going to use that to set because I like my under eye to be a little bit brighter, but I don't want to put that directly on my skin because it's going to make it, I'm going to have flashback if I do. So this is why I'm doing this step, and I'm just going to blend it all out and make everything just look so soft and nice. Y'all about to see. See this? Like, this look like skin, like seriously. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm just going to set everything. And yeah, I'm going to take my Mario. This is their eyebrow gel. I just started using eyebrow gel to do my eyebrows. It just makes it look more sparse and natural. I kind of like it. Like, it's like a new step. Then I'm going to take my Morphe palette. This is the Rich Face palette. I love this palette so much. It has contour, bronzer, highlight, blush, everything that you will need. I'm going to use the contour. I mix it up with the bronzer, and I'm just going to contour my face, like set my contour. I'm going to use my Nars. This is their bronzer. This is in the shade Quirimba, and I'm going to take that and do it in a circular motion just to warm it up a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take my blush from the Morphe palette, and I like to put it behind my cheekbone, and I like to kind of blend it in. If it's too bright, don't worry. The next step is going to fix everything up. It's going to blend all that together. Here's the important step. I take my Fenty Beauty Powder Foundation. This is in the shade 410. And I'm just going to blend it all out. Like, blend it with my blush so it won't look too sharp. Just so everything can just be cohesive. That's the word. Now we're going to work on the eyes. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty. This is the best eyeliner ever. I usually love to use the liquid one, but since we're doing the reverse eyeliner look, I'm going to use it for my bottom eyelashes. I don't know, but I'm going to take that and I'm just going to do my little wing, my under eye wing, and yeah, I'm going to take some eyeshadow from my palette. I'm going to have a link down below, and I'm just going to just make it define and make it more dark and fix it up with a little bit of concealer. These lashes that I'm wearing, you guys always ask me, they are my brand. I haven't dropped them yet, but if you guys like them, let me know down below. And yeah, the face is done, but let's get to the lips. So for my lips, I use the Marc Jacobs, I think it's called Serlo something. I'm going to leave a link down below. I don't know it from the top of my head from doing this voiceover. And then I like to use the NYX Butter Lip Gloss. This is Cookies and Cream, I believe. And I'm just going to put that on my lips. I love it so much. And then I like to go in again with a little eyeliner just to make it more sharp. This eyeliner is from the dollar store, so I don't have a link to that one. But it's kind of like the same shade, just a little bit darker. Me just fixing my hair. My hair is from Wig Encounter Hair. It's so bomb. And yeah, guys, there you have it. This concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna have more makeup tutorials coming this month, so be on the lookout for that. I took a little break and I was doing a lot of hair tutorials, which was kind of like making my channel a little bit boring. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to leave me a nice little comment. Don't forget to like the video. I don't know, like you guys watch it and y'all don't like the video. I don't know why y'all do that, but it's so annoying. But yeah, y'all, I look so bomb. I look so good. I look good. I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye, babies. Mwah.